iPhone 17e. We'll unbox the all new iPhone 17e. 17e. It's a soft pink model with 256 gigabytes of storage capacity. Right now, I'm working with the 12 mini. It's been my go-to for the last few years. Now it's time to get an upgrade, and it's finally here. Ooh, wee. Look at that. Soft pink. Wow. Yeah, this is a nice one, I ain't gonna lie. Even the color. Now I could have chose black. I could have chose white. The options they had was three options: black and white and pink. I chose this just because it's a little different. Plus I had a viral video years ago, in like 2011, where I had a pink phone case on. And yeah, over 500,000 views off it. Folks went crazy. So yeah, this is why I kind of chose this right here. Just because it brings back the nostalgia feeling when I went viral. Let's see. See what the front looks like. What she looking like. Okay. So now it comes with the charger. The new iPhone charger, I presume. Yep. Not the old one. Wow. Like, she's nice compared to my 12 mini. Before the 12 mini, I had the iPhone SE, the second gen. So this is nice to have. A 17e. 17. Wow. Look at that screen, y'all. Nice, big, clear. Feels good too. Woo. Yeah, she nice. Nice unboxing. Look at the button, so smooth. Yeah, it feels good compared to my 12 or my SE. You got a nice size to it, nice weight. And I will be doing a comparison with my last two, the 12 mini and the iPhone SE versus the 17e. So stay tuned for that, y'all. What y'all think about the 17e? If y'all got it, do you plan on getting it? What's the qualities? What's the tricks? Anything I need to know? Put it in the comment. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts about this unboxing. And if this colorway, is decent. It looks kind of white, but it's a soft pink. You could tell the pink on the edge, but this looks white, but then it looks pink. It's kind of odd, but yeah, what y'all think about this? Let me know what y'all think about this unboxing. If y'all think iPhone 17e is the way to go. And I realized it only got one camera, not like, I guess it's because it's the E, but what y'all think overall? Y'all think this is a good phone? Does it lack anything I need to know? Put it in the comments and let me know your thoughts and opinions on this overall, on this unboxing overall. Oh, can I get it to stick back? There we go. We gotta get a screen protector and a case. So that's coming next, but yeah, she nice. And we gotta go get it activated. Put it back in the box. Gently. You don't need to scrape up that case. 17, y'all, unrevealing. Let me know your thoughts on it. And if you have one, if you plan on getting one. And anything we need to know.